are letters, you see. They make up words for you and me. A is for apples, red and bright. B is for birds in flight. C is for cats that softly creep. D is for dreams when we fall asleep. E is for earth, wide and round. F is for forests, green and sound. G is for games we love to play. H is for happy every day. I is for ice, cold and clear. J is for joy we hold so dear. K is for kindness, small and true. L is for laughter through and through. M is for music, soft and loud. N is for night and stars in a crowd. O is for ocean, deep and wide. P is for paths we walk with pride. Q is for questions we like to ask. R is for running fast and vast. S is for sunshine, warm and bright. T is for twilight turning night. U is for unity, side by side. V is for victory, earned with pride. W is for wonder all around. X is for the marks we found. Y is for yesterday, gone away. Z is for zero at the end of the day. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you know your A to Z. Say them loud and sing with me.